Guilty. More flat rods, Magic Mountain. Just a bit of airtime. Now, how does this get rated the worst coaster?
It's not the worst coaster we've ever
Not
ridden.
even close.
No, not even close. It's time for your play-by-play, Jeff.
Okay, West Coaster, Santa Monica Pier. We go up, we do a helix, we do 2 bunny hops, we do a helix, we pop up, we're done. Almost that quickly.
Is this the worst coaster you've ever ridden?
Hell no. This ain't made by Togo.
Okay, here we go.
Up, and now the long, breathtaking speed over the pier. And the helix is just death-defying. I'm about ready to lose it. Oh, I'm about ready to blow chunks. Oh, good, we straightened out. Up and over the hill. And over another hill.
What's in the middle of the ceiling?
Now we got a chaos in the middle of the helix down here. But it's hard to read at this breakneck speed. It's just killing us, this amount of speed we're picking up here. We're going to be launched off the end of the pier. And here we go, up and launch! Oh. Cha-ching!
Chaos.